I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your laptop and Chromecast must be on the same Wi-Fi. You open Chrome because casting is built into the browser. Make sure the cast icon appears in the toolbar. Then power the Chromecast and pick the TV input. Note the device name so you select it precisely. Once done, click the cast icon, choose the device, and prepare to select what you want to share with your screen. Next, you decide what to share. Pick Cast tab for a single browser tab, Cast desktop to mirror everything, or Cast file for a local video. Choose tab for lower latency. Choose desktop for full screen apps. Make sure to adjust quality. Higher bitrate needs stronger Wi-Fi, and enable system audio when sharing the desktop so sound follows the picture. Once configured, click the specific source, then confirm the device. To finish, stop casting with the cast icon or simply close the tab you casted. That cleanly releases the Chromecast. If the aspect ratio looks off, use the video full screen button or adjust display settings on your laptop to match 16:9. If problems occur, one key troubleshooting tip: restart both the Chromecast and your laptop and confirm both are on the same Wi-Fi. This resolves most handshake or network conflicts. If still failing, try another browser profile or lower the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.